TOTVS ERP Online Training. Introduction to TOTVS ERP, Overview and Benefits. TOTVS ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) system designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses (SMBs) and large enterprises in Brazil and Latin America. It integrates various business functions into a unified system, helping organizations streamline operations, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making. Overview. Modules and functionality. Financial management includes accounts payable and receivable, general ledger, cash flow management, and financial reporting. Supply chain management manages procurement, inventory, and logistics, facilitating better control over the supply chain. Sales and customer relationship management (CRM) handles order processing, sales forecasting, and customer management. Manufacturing and production covers production planning, scheduling, and control, as well as quality management. Human resources (HR) manages employee records, payroll, benefits, and performance evaluations. Project management provides tools for planning, executing, and monitoring projects. Integration. TOTVS ERP integrates seamlessly with various third-party applications and systems, ensuring smooth data flow and process coordination across different business functions. Technology. The system utilizes modern technology, including cloud computing, which offers scalability, accessibility, and flexibility. It supports various platforms, including web-based access, mobile devices, and traditional desktop environments. Benefits. Improved efficiency. By automating routine tasks and integrating different business processes, TOTVS ERP reduces manual efforts and operational delays. Enhanced decision-making. The system provides real-time data and analytics, enabling informed decision-making based on accurate and up-to-date information. Cost savings. Streamlined processes and improved resource management lead to cost reductions in operations and procurement. Scalability. TOTVS ERP is designed to grow with the business, accommodating increased workloads and additional functionalities as needed. Regulatory compliance. The system helps ensure compliance with local regulations and industry standards, reducing the risk of legal issues and fines. Customer satisfaction. Enhanced CRM and order management capabilities improve customer service and satisfaction by providing timely responses and accurate information. Flexibility. The modular nature of the ERP allows businesses to customize the system according to their specific needs and requirements. Key features of TOTVS ERP. TOTVS ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning system designed to streamline various business processes. Here are some key features of TOTVS ERP. Financial management. Accounts payable and receivable, efficient management of incoming and outgoing payments. General ledger, integrated financial reporting and ledger management. Budgeting and forecasting, tools for planning and tracking financial performance. Supply chain management. Inventory management, real-time tracking of inventory levels, order management, and stock optimization. Purchasing, Streamline procurement processes with supplier management and purchase order tracking. Logistics, management of logistics and transportation for efficient distribution. Manufacturing management. Production planning, tools for scheduling and managing production processes. Work order management, tracking of work orders and production activities. Quality control, ensuring product quality through integrated quality management processes. Sales and distribution. Order management, handling of sales orders, invoicing, and delivery management. Customer relationship management, CRM, managing customer interactions and sales processes. Pricing and discounts, configurable pricing strategies and discount management. Human resources management. Employee management, tools for managing employee data, payroll, and benefits. Recruitment and onboarding, streamline processes for hiring and onboarding new employees. Performance management, tracking and evaluating employee performance. Project management. Project planning, tools for planning and scheduling project activities. Resource allocation, managing resources and assigning tasks for project execution. Project tracking, monitoring project progress and performance. Business intelligence and reporting. Analytics and reporting, advanced reporting tools for data analysis and decision-making. Dashboards, customizable dashboards for visualizing key performance indicators and metrics. Compliance and security. Regulatory compliance, tools for ensuring compliance with industry regulations and standards. Data security, features for protecting sensitive business data and ensuring data integrity. Integration capabilities. Third-party integration, integration with other systems and software for seamless data flow. API support, API capabilities for custom integrations and extending system functionality. TOTVS ERP modules, a comprehensive guide. TOTVS ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) system designed to meet the needs of various business sectors, including manufacturing, retail, services, and more. It offers a wide range of modules, each targeting specific business functions to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Here's a guide to the key modules typically found in TOTVS ERP. 1. Financial management. Accounts payable, manages supplier invoices, payments, and vendor management. Accounts receivable, handles customer invoicing, collections, and cash application. General ledger, centralizes financial data, facilitates financial reporting, and ensures compliance with accounting standards. Fixed assets, tracks and manages company assets, including depreciation and amortization. 2. Supply chain management. Purchasing, oversees procurement processes, supplier relationships, and purchase orders. Inventory management, manages stock levels, warehouse operations, and inventory valuation. Order management, handles order processing, fulfillment, and customer relationship management. 3. Manufacturing. Production planning, facilitates production scheduling, resource planning, and capacity management. Shop floor control, monitors and controls manufacturing processes, including work orders and production tracking. Quality management, ensures product quality through inspections, testing, and compliance with standards. 4. Human resources. Payroll manages employee compensation, deductions, and benefits administration. Recruitment streamlines the hiring process, including job postings, applications, and candidate tracking. Employee management handles employee records, performance evaluations, and training. 5. Sales and Customer Relationship Management (CRM). Sales order management manages sales orders, quotes, and customer contracts. Customer service handles customer inquiries, complaints, and service requests. CRM tracks customer interactions, sales activities, and marketing campaigns. 6. Project management. Project planning assists with project scheduling, resource allocation, and budgeting. Project tracking monitors project progress, costs, and performance metrics. 7. Business intelligence and reporting. Analytics provides insights into business performance through data analysis and visualization. Reporting generates financial and operational reports to support decision-making. 8. Compliance and risk management. Regulatory compliance ensures adherence to industry regulations and standards. Risk management identifies, assesses, and mitigates potential business risks. 9. E-commerce and digital channels. Online sales integrates with e-commerce platforms to manage online transactions and customer interactions. Digital marketing supports marketing efforts through digital channels, including email, social media, and web analytics. Implementing TOTVS ERP best practices. Implementing TOTVS ERP effectively requires careful planning and execution. Here are some best practices to consider. 1. Understand business requirements. Analyze processes, map out existing business processes, and identify areas for improvement. Engage stakeholders. Involve key stakeholders from different departments to ensure the ERP meets all their needs. 2. Choose the right modules. Select relevant modules. TOTVS ERP offers various modules, example finance, HR, supply chain. Choose those that align with your business goals. Consider future needs, plan for scalability and future requirements. 3. Prepare your data. Data cleanup. Ensure your existing data is accurate and up to date. Migration plan. Develop a strategy for migrating data to the new ERP system. 4. Customize and configure. Tailor the system. Customize the ERP system to fit your specific business processes. Configure properly. Set up the system according to your business rules and requirements. 5. Develop a training plan. User training. Provide comprehensive training for all users to ensure they can navigate and utilize the system effectively. Support materials. Create user manuals and support documents for reference. 6. Test rigorously. System testing. Conduct thorough testing of the ERP system to identify and resolve any issues before going live. User acceptance testing. UAT ensure end users test the system to confirm it meets their needs. 7. Plan for go-live. Go-live strategy. Develop a detailed go-live plan, including timing and support. Backup and rollback. Have a backup and rollback plan in case of issues during the transition. 8. Provide ongoing support. Support team. Establish a support team to address any post-implementation issues. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update the ERP system based on user feedback and changing business needs. 9. Monitor performance. Track metrics. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the effectiveness of the ERP system. Regular reviews. Conduct periodic reviews to ensure the system continues to meet business objectives. 10. Maintain communication. Keep stakeholders informed. Regularly update all stakeholders on progress, issues, and changes. Feedback loop. Encourage and act on feedback from users to continuously improve the ERP system. Customization and configuration in TOTVS ERP. TOTVS ERP is known for its flexibility and adaptability to various business needs. Customization and configuration in TOTVS ERP involve several key areas. Module configuration. Customize individual modules to fit your business processes. You can configure settings such as financial rules, inventory parameters, and sales processes. User roles and permissions. Set up different user roles and permissions to control access to various parts of the ERP system. This ensures that users only see and interact with the data and functionalities relevant to their roles. Workflows. Define and customize workflows for business processes such as order processing, approval workflows, and inventory management. This helps streamline operations and ensure consistency. Reports and dashboards. Create custom reports and dashboards to provide insights tailored to your business needs. TOTVS ERP allows you to design and generate reports that reflect specific metrics and KPIs. Data integration. Integrate with other systems or databases as needed. TOTVS ERP supports various integration options to ensure seamless data flow between different applications. Custom fields and forms. Add custom fields and modify forms to capture additional information specific to your business processes. This helps tailor the ERP system to your exact requirements. Localization and regional settings. Adjust the ERP system to comply with local regulations and standards. This includes localization of tax rules, language settings, and currency options. Automation and scripting. Implement automation rules and custom scripts to automate repetitive tasks and enhance system functionality. User interface customization. Modify the user interface to improve usability and ensure it aligns with your organization's branding and user preferences. Training and support. Ensure that your team is trained on the customized features and configurations. Providing ongoing support helps in addressing any issues and adapting to changes. Integration capabilities of TOTVS ERP. TOTVS ERP offers a range of integration capabilities to connect with other systems and applications. Here are some key aspects. API integration. TOTVS ERP provides APIs that enable integration with external applications, including CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and other enterprise solutions. These APIs support data exchange and process automation. Middleware integration. It supports integration through middleware solutions, allowing for complex data transformations and interactions between various systems. Data exchange formats. TOTVS ERP supports common data formats such as XML, JSON, and CSV for importing and exporting data, facilitating integration with other systems. Web services. The ERP system can interact with other software through web services, which can be useful for real-time data synchronization and process automation. Custom integrations. For unique or specific requirements, TOTVS ERP allows for custom integration solutions. This can involve developing custom connectors or scripts to meet particular business needs. Cloud integrations. TOTVS ERP can be integrated with cloud services and platforms, enabling seamless operations between cloud-based applications and the ERP system. Third-party applications. The system supports integration with various third-party applications, including financial systems, supply chain management tools, and HR systems. AD, electronic data interchange for businesses involved in supply chain and logistics. TOTVS ERP supports AD to facilitate the exchange of documents and transactions electronically. User interface and experience in TOTVS ERP. TOTVS ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning system designed to support various business processes. The user interface (UI) and user experience (UX) in TOTVS ERP play a crucial role in ensuring that users can efficiently navigate the system and access its features. Here are some key aspects. User interface (UI). Dashboard. TOTVS ERP typically includes a customizable dashboard that provides an overview of key metrics and activities. Users can often personalize their dashboards to highlight the information most relevant to their roles. Navigation. The system usually features a menu-driven interface that allows users to easily access different modules and functions. The navigation is designed to be intuitive, with clear labels and organized menus. Forms and data entry. Forms for data entry and management are designed to be user-friendly, with input fields clearly labeled and organized in a logical sequence. The design aims to minimize errors and streamline the data entry process. Reports and analytics. The interface for generating and viewing reports is generally designed to be interactive, allowing users to filter, sort, and drill down into data. Visualization tools and graphs are often integrated to enhance data interpretation. Search functionality. Effective search features are typically included to help users quickly find specific records or information. This may include advanced search options and filtering capabilities. Responsive design. Many ERP systems, including TOTVS, are designed to be responsive, ensuring that the interface works well on various devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. User experience (UX). Ease of use. The UX is designed to be intuitive, with a focus on minimizing the learning curve for new users. Training materials and user guides are often available to help users get started. Efficiency. The system aims to streamline workflows and reduce the time spent on routine tasks. Automation of repetitive processes and integration between modules are key aspects of improving efficiency. Customization. TOTVS ERP allows for a degree of customization, enabling users to tailor the system to their specific business needs and preferences. This includes customizing dashboards, reports, and workflows. Support and training. Good UX is supported by robust customer support and training options. ToTVS typically offers training programs, help resources, and support channels to assist users in maximizing their use of the system. Feedback and improvement. The system often includes mechanisms for user feedback, which helps in continuously improving the UI and UX based on real-world user experiences. Data management and reporting with ToTVS ERP. ToTVS ERP is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning solution tailored for various industries, primarily focusing on Latin American markets. It provides extensive capabilities for data management and reporting. Here's an overview of its features in these areas. Data management. Centralized data storage. ToTVS ERP consolidates data from various business processes into a centralized database, ensuring consistency and reducing redundancy. Data integration. It supports integration with other systems and databases, enabling seamless data flow across different platforms and applications. Data security. The ERP system includes robust security features to protect sensitive business data, including user access controls, encryption, and audit trails. Data quality management. Tools are available for data cleansing, validation, and enrichment to ensure high quality and reliable data. Real-time data access. Users can access real-time data and make informed decisions based on up-to-date information. Reporting. Customizable reports. ToTVS ERP offers customizable reporting tools that allow users to create reports tailored to specific business needs, including financial, operational, and sales reports. Pre-built templates. It provides a range of pre-built report templates for common business processes, which can be modified as needed. Dashboards. The system includes interactive dashboards that offer visual insights into key performance indicators, KPIs, and other important metrics. Data visualization. Users can leverage various data visualization tools to present data in charts, graphs, and other visual formats, making it easier to interpret and analyze. Scheduled reporting. Reports can be scheduled to run automatically at specified intervals, ensuring that stakeholders receive timely updates. Export options. Reports and data can be exported in various formats, including PDF, Excel, and CSV, for further analysis or distribution. Why choose ProExcellency for ToTVS ERP online training? ProExcellency is a well-regarded provider for ToTVS ERP online training for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency often employs trainers with deep knowledge and extensive experience in the ToTVS ERP system. This expertise ensures that participants receive high-quality, accurate, and practical training. Customized training. They typically offer tailored training programs that cater to specific business needs and user roles, ensuring that the training is relevant and applicable to your organization's requirements. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency's training programs usually cover a broad range of topics within the ToTVS ERP system, from basic functionalities to advanced features, ensuring that participants gain a thorough understanding of the system. Flexible delivery. Their online training format allows for flexible scheduling, which can be particularly beneficial for organizations with employees in different locations or those with varying availability. Interactive learning. ProExcellency often incorporates interactive elements such as live sessions, hands-on exercises, and real-world case studies to enhance the learning experience and ensure that participants can apply their knowledge effectively. Support and resources. They typically provide ongoing support and access to additional resources such as documentation, forums, and follow-up assistance, which can be valuable for reinforcing learning and addressing any questions that arise post-training. Reputation and reviews. Positive feedback from previous clients and a strong reputation in the industry can also be a good indicator of the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.